Joachim Ernst, Margrave of Brandenburg-Ansbach, was a German nobleman. He ruled as Margrave of Brandenburg-Ansbach from 1603 to 1625, succeeding his cousin George Frederick and succeeded by his son Frederick III. Life. Youth. Joachim Ernst was the son of the Elector John George of Brandenburg and his third wife, Elizabeth of Anhalt-Zerbst. He took over in 1603 the government of the Margraviate of Brandenburg-Ansbach, after the old line of Franconian Hohenzollerns died out with the death of George Frederick the Elder of the Ansbach-Jägendorf branch. Joachim Ernst founded the younger branch of Ansbach line of the Franconian Hohenzollerns. Succession rules. His predecessor, George Frederick, had settled the succession of his two Franconian possessions in the House Treaty of Gera of 1598. In accordance with the provisions of this treaty, Margrave Joachim Ernst ruled Brandenburg-Ansbach and his brother Christian ruled neighboring Brandenburg-Kulmbach. Protestant Union. In the religious conflicts of the early 17th century, Joachim Ernst tended to be in the Protestant Calvinist camp, and he also supported the Dutch struggle for independence. He took an active part in bringing about the Protestant alliance of the Protestant Union, which was founded in 1608 on his territory, in the secularized monastery at Auhausen, near Nordlingen. The union was, however, dissolved again in 1621, after the outbreak of the 30 Years' War. In view of the military superiority of the imperial camp, after the dissolution of the Union, Joachim Ernst was held responsible for the outbreak of war by his Catholic opponents, and he then completely distanced himself from his former allies. Marriage and issue. In 1612, he married Sophie of Solms-Lorbach. They had 5 children. Sophie, married in 1641 Margrave Edmund August of Brandenburg-Bayreuth, Frederick III, Margrave of Brandenburg-Ansbach. Albert II, Margrave of Brandenburg-Ansbach. Married firstly in 1642 Princess Henriette Louise of Württemberg-Montpelgard. Married secondly in 1651 Countess Sophia Margaret of Oengen and married thirdly in 1665 Princess Christine of Baden and Erlach. Christian ancestors.